Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix flashlight not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have removed any cover. First thing first, you should check if there is anything behind that is preventing your camera and flashlight from working. Any case, camera protector or accessories that cover behind should be removed to ensure the proper functions for your camera and flashlight. Then second solution, you have turned off low power mode. Though you are instructed to charge your iPhone, the flashlight is still dead way. Why? Probably because your low power mode is not turned off. So you have turned off on your iPhone. So you have opened the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general. Low power mode I have already turned off, then you must be turned off. Then third solution, you have checked LED flash for alerts. This LED flash next to the camera lens blink when you will receive a notification. This can be useful for someone who miss a sound alerts. So then you have open the setting and then you have click on accessibility and then you have click on audio visual. So then you have scroll up, then you have click on LED flashlight for alerts. You have turned off on your iPhone. Then a fourth solution, you have removed flashlight to fix your iPhone flashlight not working problem. Removing it is from control center is one potential way you should try. This is the same as to remove any buggy app from your iPhone. Follow steps to remove the flashlight and then add it on again. So you have opened the setting, click on control center. So then you have removed from here flashlight is add on your iPhone. So then you have removed from here. So then you have seen my iPhone is flashlight. So then not available. So then you have added on your iPhone. So then you have removed. Then web solution update iOS latest version. So you have click on general, click on software update iOS latest version on your iPhone available. So you have installed. Then another solution, you have force restart. Unlike a normal restarting, force restarting iPhone can fix deeper problem. All the background activities will be stopped and then power will be cut off adaptively. When it is turned on again, all software processes will be restarted. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.